Today we're going to be installing the strut stabilizer bar. 2 bolts on each side that have to be removed. These 2 don't get touched, and the center bolt doesn't get touched. So 14 millimeter, I'm just going to loosen these up to get them off. Make sure that your vehicle is parked. They say to have your emergency brake on, but with these vehicles, your emergency brake automatically pops on, your parking brake, I should say. So loosen these up on each side. Take these off. And we'll do the same on the other side. So these are the factory nuts that are coming off. You can kind of see that they're smooth. Here were the ones that come from Megan Racing. Have a little corrugated, so they're going to kind of dig, I think, a little bit more and probably hold a little bit better. So I'm going to use these. I'll probably recheck them after, driving it for a little bit, just to make sure that they haven't loosened up. If so, then I'll probably use a little bit of Loctite to hold them in place. So I'm going to place these on where the little nuts are. And then we're going to go through and put one eye at a time on here. I always hand tighten everything first. That way you know you're not going to be cross-threading anything. Just like so. Perfect. All right. And I'm going to come around on the other side and do the same thing. So the nuts that were coming out, I used a 14 millimeter socket. It looks like the ones from this company are a 15 millimeter. So got my torque wrench out. These have to be torqued to 29 foot-pounds according to Toyota. So that's going to tighten. Like that. So you can see there's a little bit of wobble in this. There's a nut on both sides. I got an Allen side and a 14 millimeter side. We're just going to kind of snug on each side just so we can kind of get rid of that wobble. And there you have it. Strut bar in place. So I'm going to take it for a little drive around the block to see what it feels like, and come back and double check all the bolts, but seems to be no movement at all now with it, so should be good. Hope this video was helpful. If so, please like and subscribe. Any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. I will leave this part and part number also in the description. And that's the wrap for today. Have a great one.